Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming tracking is perfect, pixel and conversion API firing, and first-party data connected. Next, choose the right objective. Conversions often lowers CPM versus traffic, then switch to lowest cost bidding if appropriate. Once done, create tight initial audiences, 1% lookalikes, recent engagers, and exclude converters. Also set proper attribution windows. Make sure events are deduplicated. These first steps get your delivery efficient, and then you'll optimize creative and placements to push CPM down. You now run structured tests. Launch 3 creatives, short video, carousel, single image, so Facebook can learn which compresses costs. Use layered targeting, interests plus behaviors and a lookalike, and actively exclude overlapping audiences to prevent bid inflation. Once campaigns gather data, compare CPM by placement and prune underperforming slots. Automatic placements are fine to start. Also stagger budgets to let learning complete. If a set hasn't exited learning in 24-48 hours, make one controlled change to avoid reset. You finish by scaling winning ad sets conservatively, raise budgets 10 to 20% or duplicate a winner and scale the duplicate. Monitor frequency, engagement metrics, and CPM trends each day. Make sure learning has stabilized. If CPM suddenly spikes, troubleshoot. Refresh creative first, tighten or broaden audience depending on saturation, and consider a short bid increase to regain delivery. Finally, make sure conversion windows and event quality remain stable. If issues persist, revert to the last known good configuration and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.